In this demonstration, we'll show you how to search for your accounts, edit your accounts, and even how to create a new account. We will use the global search to locate an account because global search will compare all records and all fields in Salesforce to find a match to your search criteria. To use the global search, you simply click Search Salesforce and enter in the name of the account record you're looking for. Notice that Salesforce will return a list of suggested records to speed up your navigation. Clicking Return will execute the global search. As you can see, the top results will show a summary of all the most recent records that match your search criteria in the Salesforce objects such as accounts, cases, contacts, etc. When we click on the Accounts tab on the left, we can see just those account records that match. By default, the list of accounts is sorted by relevance. You can change the sorting by clicking on the Sort button of any of the column headers. As we scroll through the list, we can view the details of a record simply by clicking the account name. We're now viewing the account record of our brand new account. Below the account name is the Highlights panel, which displays quick, pertinent information about the account, such as the shipping address and year-to-date sales. In the main body of the account record are Related, Details, and News subtab. The Details tab shows all account details by section below the account information body that includes sales information, address information, and system information. Each section includes different data. You can expand and collapse these sections by clicking on the arrow next to the section name. We recommend that you collapse sections that do not apply to your business area. They will remain collapsed until you open them again. Let's look at the account information section. Notice you can determine the type of account, annual purchase potential, and segment group and list. The News tab displays account news and insights from various news sources. We also saw this information on your Home tab. The Related tab contains all records related to this account like sales calls, contacts, opportunities, notes, account group items, and cases. The Activities tab displays tasks or events associated to an account. Tasks are activities to complete it by a specific due date, and events are activities on a calendar to happen at a specific time and date. The Chatter tab allows you to collaborate on an account record by posting chatter message, attaching files, or posting links. You can edit an account record simply by clicking the Edit button or double-clicking on any field that has the pencil icon. Once you are through editing, click Save. This completes searching and editing an account in Salesforce. If you need to create a new account in Salesforce, you will see the New button on the account homepage and the New Account on the Account tab drop-down. Before creating a new account in Salesforce, you should always perform a global search to ensure that the account is not currently in the system. Now that we know our account does not currently exist in Salesforce, we can add it by clicking on the Account tab and clicking the New button. The New Account screen displays. Enter in all the relevant data about the account. A red asterisk indicates that a field is required. When adding a new account, you should populate as much information as you can, but you must complete the required fields to save the new record. Let's enter our account name, a phone number, and a website. Click Save and the account detail page will display. This completes the Salesforce account training. You may now close this window.